This Christmas.
This Christmas, last Christmas.
Want trabato?
Lunch.
Lunch pa, yeah.
Do you think we're gonna try and we have to do all of that thing in one day? So like tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow dapat.
Because Friday we'll have a weekly task or something.
Our weekly task is the singing.
Yeah, I know, but when they test us,
Oh.
probably be Friday. Because tomorrow the viewers need to vote or something.
No, they vote and we sing when they vote.
So we just sing all the time, non-stop, 100 times in one day?
Yeah.
Probably.
Oh my God!
Like we're a human jukebox tayo.
Parang yung Belen, di ba? 10 hours.
10 hours nga yun eh. That's why they gave us yung mga strepsils and yung...
Oh my gosh.
It's fun.
It is fun.
It's fun
I'm
how
just
we'll
happy
sound
I'm not...
like
Oo.
after ano.
I'm playing the drums the whole time.
Umiyak ako sa kamaan, sibuyas ni Dines. Umiyak din si Dines.
Denise, okay lang yun.
Umiyak din si Dines.
Denise, when she
lang.
raps.
Walang iyakan, Dines.
Huwag kang umiyak.
Umiyak din ako dito.
Katakot naman yung lingon niya. Parang...
Hindi!
Hindi. Bakit nahit ka ba sa sinasabi ng kabilang team?
Hindi!
Okay lang. Okay. Relax. OC na OC.
Me?
Yeah, gusto mo na manifest.
Tastes better when it's nipis.
Okay.
Nakita?
I know, I have problems.
Everyone here has issues. They're like Winnie the Pooh. Na ano mo yan? Like, lahat ng tao, lahat ng characters sa Winnie the Pooh. Feeling ko pareho dito. Like, may iba't ibang ugali, tapos mayroon silang lahat ng personality disorder.
Hala!
Eeyore yung ano.
Kigoy is Eeyore.
Oh, no, not Kigoy.
Tiger.
Eeyore.
Beagle is Eeyore.
Tiger is Tigger. It's really, really hyper.
Oh,
Tigger.
si Piglet,
Me.
Beagle pa rin eh.
Ano din siya, emotional.
I'll be Po because I eat a lot. No, you'll be Po.
Po?
Poo.
Oh my God. The main character.
I always say Po.
Sino ba? Piglet, si... Rabbit. Sino si Rabbit?
I'll be Rabbit because I'm fat.
I'll be Rabbit.
Why are you Rabbit? You're just content.
Ikaw si Owl.
Yeah, you're Owl. Wise.
Owl is not wise. Owl is nagmamarunong.
Owl is Mama Luz.
Owl is
Pero
nagmamarunong.
parang sa'yo, ano yun?
Hindi. Owl is palagi siyang nagtuturo pero palaging mali.
He's grumpy.
Oh.
And always wise. Always wants to be
Parang
right.
Paco, yeah. Paco is Owl. Well, as close to Owl as possible.
So, panoorin yung, ano, yung movie nila ngayon.
Uy, napanood ko yun. 1 hour lang.
Ang ganda.
Saya.
Kakamiss yung ano.
Dito, before tayo pumasok.
Oo, gusto ko yun eh, pero paranormal activity.
I saw it. It's good.
Yung Winnie the Pooh?
No, paranormal activity.
I saw Winnie the Pooh. 1 hour lang siya.
Kakamiss. Yung
Childhood.
bata. Lalo yung Toy Story 3.
Hindi, si Piglet ay si Tin kasi palaging...
Accident.
Yeah, accident si Piglet. Diba?
She always gets blown away.
Yeah. Oo. Si Tigger, si Tigger, si... Ano pa ba?
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, wala masyadong...
Me, I'm
Bata.
kangaroo. I'm the baby kangaroo. The mama kangaroo is Joya.
Si Rabbit is OC, di ba? OC ang Rabbit.
Don't you dare say me. I'm not that OC.
OC ba? No, I'm just asking. OC ba si Rabbit?
Kung kayo'y kapi.
You think?
Hindi. Rabbit, kangaroo, piglet. Christopher Robin.
I'll be Christopher Robin.
I'll be Christopher Robin.
Sa Toy Story naman.
Gusto mo talaga yung Toy Story. Mukha ba talaga ang Woody?
Yung dati mong hairstyle. Sayang na wala.
Rabbit! I knew it.
Check! Double check!
Ayaw kasi niya yung harapan.
Double check!
Rabbit.
That's not a problem, okay?
Okay. Every addict says that.
I just like things done well.
That's what they all say. Wala pa. First stage, denial.
Shut up. Stop watching me.
Rabbit.
Ano, ikaw na?
Rabbit.
You've always done that. I'm like this, though.
Mhm.
Right?
Rabbit.
Buti hindi ko nakuha yung OC. May ano ako, lahi ako ganun.
Rabbit.
Kasi sa States, yung bahay niya, hindi pwede pasok yung shoes.
A lot of people are like
Marami
that.
yung states.
Dito. As in, super... Pag sa kitchen, parang... Ganun.
Word. Oh, tulog ka na. Wala sila. Huwag mo bigyan ng